Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Roblox Studio and signing in. This ties your work to your account. Create a new place using baseplate or terrain so you can test scale immediately. Next, adjust game settings, give the experience a clear name, pick the genre, and set permissions. These choices affect discovery and testing. Make sure to save frequently as you work. Once done, publish a draft to Roblox so you can invite testers and iterate quickly. Now focus on the core mechanics that define play. You want a playable loop fast. Block out level geometry using parts and the terrain tools so you can test navigation and scale. Then add interactivity with scripts. Begin with simple events like door triggers or collectibles to prove concept. Implement player spawn points, configure camera behavior, and create a minimal UI for health or score. These systems let you iterate on feel. Make sure to test changes after each major tweak. Finish by polishing visuals and performance. Optimize by reducing part count, enabling streaming and testing on multiple devices. Once stable, publish your experience and configure monetization, badges, and testing groups so feedback flows in. Make incremental updates based on analytics and player reports. If things go wrong, check the output and use breakpoints in the script editor to find errors quickly. Logs show stack traces and variable values, so you can fix logic issues without guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.